Tata Docomo, along with its knowledge partner DataQuest, welcomes you to the Do Big Symposium. The Do Big Symposium is a platform to bring thought leaders from renowned organizations to discuss trends that businesses anticipate in the advent of evolving technologies. One such trend is the convergence of social, mobile, and Internet of Things, which is a powerful and disruptive force that is redefining the business landscape. As technologies combine and converge to create widespread disruptions, enterprises are trying to grasp their true meaning and value. Enterprises are looking for answers to questions like how to deal with the challenge of adopting new technologies, how to make sense of the information generated by connected devices and social media and integrate all the technologies to derive true value for the organization and its customers. The Do Big Symposium this year is all about answering these questions. And this is how we plan to achieve this this evening. First, we plan to share industry trends that impact growing businesses. Second, we want to encourage and nurture thought leadership by giving all of you the opportunity to hear what experts have to say. Third, to stimulate meaningful interactions between peers and industry experts. And fourth, to continuously understand your needs and expectations in order to create solutions that are best suited for your requirements. We are sure and we hope that by the end of this evening, you will have plenty to take away from discussions by our esteemed corporate leaders, domain experts who have come from various industry verticals. However, before we start, please allow me to apprise you of some important announcements. Please do not switch off your mobile phones. Just keep them on the silent mode. We have a mobile application exclusively created for this conference that will take your experience at the Do Big Symposium to a new level altogether. Using the Do Big mobile application, which should, I hope, be there on all of your smartphones and mobile phones by now, using that application, you can network with fellow attendees. You will participate in live polls and share your responses about the topics that are being discussed. Access the event schedule anytime, see all the speakers and go through their bios. You will also have a resource center where we will upload interesting reports and information on this very interesting topic. The application can be downloaded by going to the App Store on your iPhone or the Play Store on your Android phones. Search for Do Big Symposium and download the application. In case you have a QR code application running on your phone, please scan the QR code on the tent card place on the tables. It will take you to the application on the App Store, and you can play the store or the Play Store directly. And last but not the least, we also have volunteers here who can offer you tech support to download and use this application. So, have all of us been able to download? Is there anybody who has not been able to download? Okay, there are a couple of us who have not been, so can the tech support please help them out? Okay. So towards the end of the event, it's very important that you share your feedback with us. The feedback form has also been made available to you through the Do Big mobile application. Our colleagues will also be moving around with tablets to collect your feedback. After the sessions, Please do visit the demo zones which are there right outside the conference hall to experience some of the social, mobile, and Internet of Things solutions that should help your business grow big. And last but not the least, we request and solicit your active participation and engagement throughout this evening. Yeah, this goes without saying. All our conferences are formed with the objective, with the idea that it has to be a very interactive session. We need to talk to you. We need to understand what is it that you have to say about some of the things that we are discussing here. A very quick sneak peek into what lies for the evening ahead. We'll start with a fireside chat on harnessing the power of social media, mobile and Internet of Things for business transformation. That will be followed by a session by Tata Docomo on SMI solutions to do big. A panel discussion on the how-to aspects of adopting SMI with an excellent lineup of panel members, followed by a question and answer session. And obviously, we will conclude this evening with networking opportunities over cocktails and dinner. Okay, so we begin the evening now. We'll start with a fireside chat between Mr. Pradeep Gupta, Chairman and Managing Director of Cyber Media, and Mr. Vijay Shekhar Sharma, Founder and CEO of Paytm. Pradeep Gupta, or PG as he is popularly known in the industry, is the CMD of Cyber Media, India's leading specialty media house and a public company with an ICT focus. He has received national awards for his championship of the disabled, the Alumni Awards for Entrepreneurship. He is also an angel investor and a mentor to a number of entrepreneurs. Could I invite Mr. Pradeep Gupta on the dais, please? I would also like to invite our chief guest and our keynote speaker for the fireside, Mr. Vijay Shekhar Sharma, who is the founder and CEO of 197 and Paytm, one of India's largest growing mobile internet and mobile e-commerce companies. Vijay also invests in early stage mobile internet startups from his company's 197 Mobility Fund. An avid admirer of great design, Vijay believes his ultimate moment is yet to arrive. He says that, and that too with a straight face, if not in his current role, he would have been singing along with Bono. Thank you so much for being with us this evening, Vijay. May I now request Mr. Pradeep Gupta to start the session, please. Thank you.
Hello. Thank you very much, Ibrahim. I don't think I'm on the mic as yet. Hello. Yeah, now I'm there. Thank you, Ibrahim. In the next half an hour or so, it will be my attempt to walk you through a fascinating journey. A fascinating journey that Vijay has lived and is currently going through. A journey where in a short period of time today, he has a revenue of 3,600 crores. He has an EBITDA of almost about 300 crores, employs 1,800 people. I think it is going to be something which should really help us, work out this entire principle of do big, that how is it, what are some of the factors that lead to success?